Here we go. We back. We back at it with Pokemon Celebrations 25th anniversary.
So just a heads up, everybody. If he pulls the Charizard, that is my card.
Never agreed to the terms and conditions.
He agreed.
No, never did that.
He did. Legally binding.
So basically, same thing as Shining Fates. There's a book telling you what the hit cards are.
Nobody gives about the book.
I mean, you're not wrong. Sleeves. Free code card. Pause the video.
Pause it. There you go. What's this?
Greninja.
Greninja. I don't know who that is, but cool.
Alright, so
That's a lot more packs.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 packs of celebrations. And 1, 2. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, I lied.
10 packs of celebrations.
10 packs of celebrations. Pack of Vivid Voltage. Chilling Rain. More Chilling Rain. And the rest are Chilling Rain.
Alright. What was starting with?
We're going to start off with Chilling Rain. I'm going to save celebrations for last because it's only 3 cards.
That's it?
Yeah.
That's why you told me.
Yeah.
That's a ripoff.
You're not wrong.
Alright.
Chilling
Code.
Rain.
Pause.
Code card's right there for you.
Right there.
Pause the video.
I wonder if anybody ever uses this.
You never know. 2, 3, 4.
Alright, here we go.
Porygon. A Rabbit. Snover. Slowpoke. That's Galarian. Snorunt. Weedle. Reverse Hollow Heracross. And that. VMAX right off the start.
First.
Right off rip.
There you go.
Already treat me better than Shining Fates did.
How much is that worth? $10.
Probably, honestly.
$6. Going for $4. You can buy it right now for $1.50. Alright, Coco. Pause.
Right there.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4.
I'm not saying much because I don't know about this. There's a reverse hall.
Yes, sir. And regular.
Boo. Why'd you change this? VMAX.
So, you know, we're saving Vivid Voltage for last because, well, second to last.
So just so you know, that is the size of his head.
You're a dick.
I like you, buddy.
Sure you do.
Let's see I could. Pause that shit. Alright.
1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see what we have in store.
At the front door.
Yeah.
They should make a Pokemon called Piggy and Blanket.
I mean, shit, they're running out of ideas, so.
Might as well.
Yeah, right?
Piggy and Blanket. I would collect that card. It could be edible.
There's actually an edible Pokemon.
Uh,
He's an apple, whatever the hell his name is, but.
Apple cider. Alright, pause it. Get that code.
It's funny because I got the shiny form of him the other day. I'm just like, wow, he looks like a green apple.
Granny Smith.
Yeah, love Granny Smith apples.
Get the cards.
There's another Porygon.
Gotta get you all.
Pokemon.
Oh, there's your reverse.
And a regular.
Wah, wah, wah. VMAX hating us.
Pretty much. It's like, oh, you think you're better than us? Let's see if we can get that Rainbow Rare Pikachu. I think it's Rainbow Rare.
Okay, I'm taking the Rainbow Rare Pikachu.
Nope, the green code card. Luck is not on my side.
Why would it be right there? Pause it. There you go.
1, 2, 3.
So Rainbow Rare Pikachu will be right there. Right
in the back.
Oh, so how would you say luck is on your side?
No, absolutely not. Riolu.
Dun 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 dun.
Trash.
Wah, wah, wah. VMAX, ruined it. Alright,
VMAX did ruin it.
this is it. Celebrations.
It's time to celebrate. Getting nothing.
Celebrate, good times, come on.
Thanks, VMAX.
Ginger. Alright,
Yeah, it's like 3 cards, so.
so 3 cards of trash. What's the code that you paused right there?
Alright, there's no trick to this one.
So that's it. Oh, it's 4 cards. You got 4 cards. You just know how to count with the 4 cards. With the celebration, Pokey Pikachu right there.
I think I actually need that one for my collection.
Yeah.
I'm actually almost done with celebrations.
Are you know?
Yeah,
But are you?
about.
Is that why you're buying packs? You know, because you done with it? So supporting it? Show us that code for people can have it. Pause that, bitch. Alright, what we got? So they all have the Pokemon head, or Pikachu head.
Yeah, because these are reprinted cards.
So they reprint, that means they're not that valuable, huh?
Some more than none. Like the Charizard.
Charizard,
The shiny the Gold Star Mew.
Gold Star.
Yeah.
Did he get that in school? You get Gold Star. Alright, give us that code for the Gold Star. Pause it, and there you go. Alright, we got this, we got that, we got this in there. Fat Pikachu, is that Fat Pikachu?
Yeah, it's Chunky Chew.
Chunky Chew, I want Chunky Chew.
You want it? You can have it.
Yes, I'll put that right there. We're gonna put the chunky.
Yeah, I have like 36 copies of that card.
Okay, I just like it because it's fat. Chunky chew. A big Z chew. Chunky.
Yeah, I'll probably end up pulling a couple more of them. We're just gonna be real with each other.
I hope not. Need to see them different ones.
Yeah,
And you can pause that, pause it, whatever you want.
you can do whatever you want.
Dun dun dun. Yes, no,
It's a sword.
good.
Not really, no. I have like 37 copies of that card.
And wah, wah, wah. Come on, pull something good so I can have it.
I'm pulling another Pikachu.
A fat Pikachu?
Yeah.
Isn't there like a birthday Pikachu or something?
Yeah,
People want?
I actually have that card.
Put that code in your collection.
Yeah, that card is actually banned.
Ben,
Yeah.
because it's birthday, that's that. Ooh, what's this? Is that the birthday Pikachu?
This is Flying Pikachu.
What's flying Pikachu?
He's got balloons on him.
But why is it is that special?
Yeah. Do you want it?
Yes, I'll take a flying Pikachu. Show my face. We got the flying and the fat. So if Pikachu was fat, how can he fly?
Now we need the Flying Pikachu V.
So is this like from up?
Those are two complete different companies. Actually, at the time they were, but technically Disney has Pokemon right now, but they don't have the rights to them. All right. Son of a bitch.
Birthday! Is that the birthday one?
That's the birthday Pikachu.
Birthday! Birthday! Is that a good one?
It's a rare card.
Is that good?
Yeah, that's a good
So,
one.
is that my card?
Maybe.
Is that mine? The birthday? Get that grade. Oh, how much is it worth? $5? $10?
I have no idea.
$13? $14.50? You're getting it out of Pikachu, not out of Charizard.
Yeah, tell me.
Why are you not getting the Charizard?
F in the chats.
You
Tell my
get
failures.
like this post, take this code, subscribe for birthday. I want this.
We got a Rush Rain.
Pokemon.
UEX.
What's UEX? Is that good?
Yes. It's
So-
another card I needed for the collection.
Ah, nice. Nice.
Alright, we got 3 packs left.
We got 3 on it. Alright. Show us that code. If you pause it at the right time, you can have that for free.
Free 99.
Free. Alright, what we got? What we got? What we got? Code. That's the code.
Ooh, that's actually. Ooh, hello.
What is that?
Team Magma's Groudon.
Oh.
Groudon's a legendary.
Ooh,
Flying Pikachu.
damn it. Why am I not getting fucking Pikachu? Is that good?
Yes. Now you can have his twin.
Okay.
Look at that.
Okay. We get the fat form Pikachu, the giant Pikachu, and the fat Pikachu. Nice. Getting it.
Hey, we're getting some hits. We're getting some hits.
Getting some Pokies. Gotta catch them out. I just learned Ash's last name is Ketchum. Ash Ketchum.
Well, yeah, it's
I know it.
gotta catch them all.
There you go. Go for you. For free with the hits of what we got, what we got, what we got. Another fat figure. That's the same.
Look, now he has a brother.
That's the same one.
Yep.
It is. Why would they give you double? That's not fair in life.
Alright, last pack, Matt.
Alright, that's that. Get something good. Right here. Charizard. If you like this, if you hit like and subscribe, right now, he'll pull a Charizard. I can feel it in my bones. So we'll give you a free code just to subscribe.
Alright, we're gonna sit here. Wait a minute. Did you like the video yet?
Did you subscribe?
Did you comment nice things?
Subscribe.
Alright.
Alright, here we go. 1,
Dialga.
2,
Lugia.
3. Ah,
Another flying
another
Pikachu.
5 Pikachu.
Look,
So,
he has a brother.
there we go. We got this Pika. We got some hits over here. We got the magma or whatever. We
Birthday
got the
Pikachu.
pink head. We got the birthday Pikachu. We got the 7-eye guy. We got the VMAX people. We got free codes over there. And you can get all this good stuff if you subscribe. So, till next time,
Doses.
peace out.